TikTok just released exactly how their algorithm works, and in today's video, I'll be going over everything that you need to know to maximize your posts in 2023. So make sure to watch this video all the way through to make sure that you don't get left behind by all these new updates. And it doesn't matter whether you're a complete beginner starting from zero, or if you already have over 10,000 followers. These new changes affect everybody who's making content on the platform. So with all that being said, let's get right into it. So first, if you guys haven't already been seeing the shift on the platform, TikTok is encouraging longer form videos that are longer than 1 minute. And I guess people are afraid of it harming their For You page recommendations because TikTok is telling creators that longer form videos are actually encouraged. They're also saying that longer videos are recommended just like all other videos on TikTok, which is based on people's engagement and the viewers' interests. But now the question is, are people who are watching longer videos really engaged? Well, according to them, longer videos allow for more in-depth storytelling, and my guess is that they want creators to be spending more time creating higher quality videos since the market is so saturated now. The statistic is that the number of creators on the platform grew by 60% in the last year, but the most important statistic that you need to know is that viewers spent 90% more time watching videos longer than 1 minute last year. This means there are people on the platform who clearly want to see longer videos, and they want to really slow down and dive deeper into the videos that are showing up on their feed. And yeah, since the pandemic, I think a lot of people have been watching really short TikToks, and now I think people are starting to get tired of it and they want longer videos on the platform instead. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. Me personally, I think that whenever I open up a TikTok now, I think I do tend to stay for the longer videos, but maybe that's just me. Now, the next thing that I want to talk about is storytelling. And I know that we quickly mentioned that TikTok wants more in-depth storytelling, but if you don't even know where to begin to create a good story, you basically just need a beginning, a middle, and an end. And it doesn't matter if you're making a travel video, a makeup tutorial, or you're filming your fitness routine, great TikToks usually have a great story. Now, in between the beginning, middle, and end, you have a lot of elements that can make the story a lot more engaging and entertaining, such as things like the failures that you run into along the way, the new skills that you get, the realizations that you've made along the way, and the result of the entire transformation. If you want to learn more about storytelling, then I highly recommend looking into the hero's journey. It's a framework that a lot of famous books and movies use to create compelling stories. And if you guys want to read more about that, we'll leave a link down below for you guys to check it out. Now, the only difference is that with TikTok, you're taking all of these different frameworks and you're condensing them into a few seconds. So next time you create a TikTok, go ahead and try out this framework, and this will allow you to create a better story. And as a result, it will help you get more engagement on your longer videos. Now, the next thing is that TikTok wants you to add sounds to your videos. This is something I don't do very often for my own TikToks because I don't think it really fits my niche in my videos. But if it makes sense within your videos, then you guys should definitely use it. I don't think it matters much as creating good stories, but again, if it makes sense and you want to create an even greater story, then music that complements would definitely help, right? The team said it themselves, not every video needs a sound, but if it makes sense, then definitely try to use music. Now, the last few things that I want to talk about aren't really related to the TikTok algorithm. They're mostly just things that I've been seeing and experimenting with that can help boost your views. So bonus tip number one is you want to experiment with putting text at the beginning of your videos. Now, with this text, you want to give the viewers a highlight of what the video is all about. You need to be super clear and concise with the text. That way, whenever somebody scrolls onto your video, they can immediately decide whether or not they want to scroll or keep watching to find out the rest. A creator that does this all the time is Matt Rife, who's arguably one of the biggest comedians on the app right now. In all of his videos, he has big text in a few words giving context to what the video is about, and he leaves it on for a few seconds as the video starts off with a hook that matches the text. And guys, this works so well because this acts like a title, and so as people are scrolling through and seeing the text, they can make an immediate decision to either stay and see what the video is about, or they can just continue scrolling. This is a great tactic that's clearly working. I mean, this guy is getting millions of views every single video. It's not like he just gets lucky. This format works, and I highly recommend that you guys experiment with this with your own videos as well. Now, bonus tip number two, and this one's a hot one. So if you guys didn't know, TikTok updated their platform. If you haven't already, go ahead and update TikTok on the App Store, because with this new update, you can basically see creators' most popular videos. So just to show you guys how this works, I'm on TikTok right here on my phone. And once you guys update, you guys can click on this button right here. And then now, as you guys can see, it shows up with the options of choosing the latest and then also choosing the popular. And now, as you guys can see, it's going to pop up with the most popular videos on this TikTok account. And yeah, you guys can do this with literally any TikTok account now. So yeah, this is huge because now what this means is you can go on to other creators and then use their most popular posts as inspiration. Now, before you go and copy another creator's video just because it went viral, you need to keep in mind three different things. Number one is you need to pay attention to the hook. Ask yourself what happened in the first 1 to 2 seconds that really caught your attention, and see what's happening that would catch somebody's eye. Number two is that you need to ask yourself, what is the concept of the video? You want to see what they're talking about, why that topic is blowing up, and see if it's relevant to you. So this doesn't mean just copy any creator's video videos, you need to make sure that they have the same target audience as you and that their video even relates to your niche. And the last thing that you want to consider is what type of video is it? You need to ask yourself, is it a viral video just because of some event that happened? Or is it an evergreen video that can last forever and continue getting views? Obviously, you don't want to copy somebody's content if it's just a viral video on some outdated news topic. And last, I think this goes without saying, but please do not copy other creators' videos word for word. You need to add your own value and put your own spin to your content. Otherwise, people are going to catch on quick and call you out for copying. As long as you're being authentic and unique to yourself while giving value, then you're absolutely going to grow on TikTok. So that's everything that you need to know about TikTok's new algorithm, along with 2 bonus tips that will hopefully be able to help you guys grow. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some value out of it. And if you did, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos just like this. Here on this channel, we make a lot of simple how-to guides and tutorials dedicated to helping out new entrepreneurs start their own business, as well as new content creators grow on social media. That's all I got for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.